Hello everyone. How you been doing? I hope you've been having a nice weekend and everybody is traveling safe. I want to talk to you about something here that's been bothering me for a long time. You ever have one of these? These are the little propane tanks that we throw in our truck and they roll around and then they explode, and well, that's another story. Anyway, I have a lot of these, and they always bug me because when I use them, I throw them away. And then I started to think, well, why not I just recharge them? And they do make rechargeable ones, but you can't carry them in your truck or your vehicle in the state of Texas if they've been recharged. You can carry these, but you can't carry the rechargeable ones. Then something happened the other day that changed my mind about carrying propane, and it's this. It's a little tank, comes in a carrying case that replaces 4 of those, which is pretty cool. It's a Ignik, and I bought it over at a military PX, and I started looking at it and I said, you know what, this is a good idea. So it's not too heavy. You don't have to carry the 30-pounders or even the bigger ones. They're just a pain in the butt. And I don't have a lot of room because we have an Airstream travel trailer where we travel in. And I throw this in the back of my truck, and it's easy to get out and put back in. But it's got its own little carrying case. It zips around, comes with its own hose. You like that? And it's easy to refill because it's not like the little small ones. It's pretty cool. And I think that if you try one of these out, if you can get it out of the case, I just leave it in the case when I use it. But that's it. That's how big it is. Looks just like a regular propane tank, but it's just a small one. And it replaces 4 of those smaller tanks. This you can bang around. This you can recharge and carry your truck. This is an easy fix for those little things that when you're cooking on your barbecue grill and all of a sudden it runs low and then you got to swap it out, or you may not have one. This will last you a long time, and like I said before, you can just go take it and get it recharged. Well, that's a little short video about this. I'm going to put a link in there where you can find these, or the website for this company. They sell other products. They sell stoves. They sell other things. We don't get any pay or anything for me promoting this. I just thought it was a neat idea, and I'd like to share it with you guys. So when you're down there looking for one of these tanks, look for one of these because it's going to save you some money. All right, man. I hope y'all have good trips. I hope y'all see a lot of new things, and maybe one day we'll see y'all on the road. Anyway, this is Fred with Go Looker, and y'all take care and have safe travels. Talk to you later.